Hi, my name is Mansi and today on Stirring Memories, I'm going to share a few memories from my childhood with my mother. And I'm here at All India Supermarket, my go-to place for the freshly imported and super affordable Indian spices. Today on the menu, I'm going to be making the raved Thai green curry. So I'm sure many of you think that the ingredients for a Thai green curry can be only found in a Thai market. Well, actually you can find all the dry spices you need for this dish at All India Supermarket. Now that I have the dry ingredients for my curry paste, I'm here at the fresh produce section of All India Supermart at level 1. Here we have well-stocked fresh ingredients available at any time of the day. Finally, I'm back in my kitchen. This is the place where I've shared the most memories with my mother. I've seen my mother cooking many dishes here in this kitchen, and this has been the greatest source of inspiration for me. So I'm going to go through all the ingredients that you need for an authentic Thai green curry, and all these ingredients I found at All India Supermart. I have some lemon zest, I have some lemongrass, some ginger with me, and I have a handful of small green chili. Then I also have some shallot and I have some garlic as well. And for my dry spices, I have pepper, I have coriander seeds, I also have some cumin seeds, and finally some salt. So now I'm going to grind all my ingredients together. So I usually put a handful of chilies, about 12 to 15 chilies. And lastly, a pinch of salt. So I have one quick tip for you. If you think your Thai green curry paste is not green enough and you don't want to use more chili to make it more spicy, you can use Thai basil leaves. So the main substance of the Thai green curry is of course the vegetables that you put in. Now you can add any vegetables that you want or that you have in your fridge, but today I'm going to use these fresh vegetables that I got from All India Supermart. So I have today with me some broccoli, carrot, I also have some long beans, some tofu, some fresh corn, and also some small green aubergines. So the next step is for me to cut up all these vegetables into bite-sized pieces. So the place where my cooking skills really flourished was in school. So I was 15 years of age that time when we had home economics lessons in school, and that's when I explored all the different cuisines that are out there, like Italian cuisine, Mediterranean, and especially Thai. So my first independent experience cooking was when I baked my first cake. It was for my father's birthday.
Mansi was around 15 years old when she kind of surprised me, it was my birthday. And then she baked a cake for me on that day, and I totally did not expect her to bake a cake because I think that was one of the first times she really cooked or even baked a cake.
So now I'm going to get cooking. I'm going to add half of my coconut milk to this pan for 5 to 7 minutes until the oils from it start separating, and I'm going to go and add my curry paste. You can cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to add my vegetables and my tofu into this. At this point you can see that the aubergines have become pretty soft. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the coconut milk. Give it a quick stir. At this point you can add the remaining of your vegetables. So here I have cooked about 500 grams of Indian basmati rice that I got from All India Supermart. So usually you can have your Thai green curry with Thai jasmine fragrance rice, but today I have preferred to have Indian basmati rice. So this is my stirring memories. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook this Thai green curry. This is one of my all-time favorite dish. It's an amazing family dish. It feeds a family of 4 very easily. So please remember to like, comment and share this video.